Okay, I'm setting up a test piece here and checking it for straightness. And just with the mic here, it is definitely within a 1/2,000 straight. And a couple inches there. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to click this head on here. I still haven't cleaned that up. A little ink on it for fun. Okay, I'm going to back the up a little bit here. We'll get over here. And I'm going to feed it in. Let it spark out a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to shut the work head off. Now, follow me over here. Now, right here, I have a dial indicator that reads in 10,000ths. So I'm going to adjust it. Let's see if I can get it. I don't know. It seems like there might be a reflection. I'll put it on the number 2. Right there. That's pretty good. Tap on it a little bit. Yeah, that seems to be right on the number 2. Now, I'm going to turn on the work hat. Watch what happens. Not very much, but sometimes it does. Now I'm going to turn the grinder on. See that? It jumped to 1/10,000. Okay, now I'm going to feed it in 1/1000 to that. Let's say 4/10,000. And that'll put it right on that halfway mark. Let me get it there. Go! Okay, I'm going to go back. And I'm going to try to hit that again. Okay, it's there. Now see, it's creeping forward. It crept forward a 10,000th. Okay. So, we'll go ahead and grind. I'm doing it with one hand. Okay, now I'm going to shut it off again. Let's get this thing on 0. Or let's get it on that number too. Right about there. Okay. It's slightly ahead there. You see the table's still creeping. Okay, I'm going to start it. It's 1/10,000th above the 2. Look at that, it jumped just about 3/10,000th, just starting the machine. So, like if you want to hit a number, you're going to have to stop just before it. So I'm going to put it on the 2, the machine's running. So I'm going to stop right about there. Okay, I'm going to try it again and stop a lot closer. See it overshot, but not by much. I guess what I'm trying to say is you gotta play with this thing. There we go. Still creeping though. Now what helps is fully lubricating the machine and using it. You know, I lubricated it and I ran the tables back and forth a few times, and that helps quite a bit. But I'm going to be using this machine quite a bit, and this is called stick slip. And it's like there's a little bit of compression on the screw, and see, I stopped about a 1/10 before, and it's right on, and it might creep past that a little bit. Hey, that looks pretty good. Looks stable. Now I'll kick on that motorized workhead and see how that does. It's holding pretty good. Okay. So we'll let the spindle stop. And we'll start it again. See, it jumped ahead a 10. And that's going to take 2/10 off around option. So I thought I'd point out that fun of actually dealing with this thing. But all grinders are like this, and all machines are like this. You know, that stick slip will cause your tool or grinding wheel to move into the work with itself and start from the shape. So I got this thing dialed in very close, and I'm going to touch it up a little bit, and I've got those little shafts that need just a little bit of material taken off them to straighten it up. And then I'm going to use this setup for circle grinding some end mills for small hole making. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, got the taper about worked out here. Let's get that on there. Move it on over. Let that settle in a little better. Okay, we're within a tenth per taper on that. So I'll set up and grind those shafts, and I will be back. I think that would be a pretty good video, I hope. Okay, I'll be back. Got everything ready to go.